Not many would call Justin Bieber and Selena Gomez as friendly celebrity exes up until now. A leading daily confirms the pop singers recently spent time together at Selgo's Los Angeles pad, but it's not the first time they've crossed paths as of late. In fact, the former lovebirds have reportedly hung out a few times since Selena underwent kidney transplant surgery sometime before mid-September. But don't jump to conclusions yet, guys. We're told Justin and Selena are just friends and nothing romantic is going on between the two. A source close to the two told a leading daily. They both have a long history with each other, so they will always have a place in their heart for one another. The exes dated on and off for about 3 years between 2011 and 2014. Things took a disastrous turn last year when Gomez got in the middle of Bieber's now-ended relationship with Sofia Richie, which caused the sorry singer to delete his Instagram account. So how does current beau The Weeknd feel about Selena suddenly rekindling a friendship with her first love? The source added, The Weeknd was well aware that Justin and Selena were hanging out with a few friends. He trusts her. Once The Weeknd gets back from touring, you will likely see them all out. And likewise, Bieber has left all the dissing in the past and only wants the best for Selena and her beau of almost 2 years. The source continued, Justin is happy that Selena found a good guy that treats her well. He has nothing bad to say about The Weeknd. Justin is always checking on Selena to make sure she's feeling good. He has grown up on many levels. It's nice they are friends and there for each other now. In 2015, Selgo told a leading magazine she'll always remember their relationship fondly and genuinely. I'll forever support him and love him in a way that we grew up together. I think people want it to be different. We're too young for that. Nobody was married. I respect him. And I think he respects me in a healthy manner. Hollywood Nowers, what's your take on Justin and Selena's newfound friendship? Tell us in the comments and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all the latest Holly buzz.